Is the cryptocurrency landscape shifting? What does the future hold for Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ethereum?
Exactly. We will dive into insights on altcoins, Bitcoin's risk metrics, and the challenges facing Ethereum today.
And let's not forget the unexpected endorsement from Donald Trump and its potential impact on the market.
Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, your resource for time-saving summaries of the most pressing crypto videos.
We believe financial education is crucial, but we know you're busy, so let's jump right in.
In today's video, we'll summarize the following insights.
Today on Altcoin Daily, we're diving into some major developments in the crypto world. Are the rumors true? Is Cardano really on its last legs? And what's the buzz about Donald Trump championing crypto?
With Cardano's monumental chain hard fork set to launch, it's crucial to understand its significance. Charles Hoskinson has a vision for Cardano that might just change the game.
So what's the crux of the matter? What does this hard fork mean for Cardano?
The chain hard fork is transformative. It aims to empower users and ensure that Cardano evolves into a truly decentralized blockchain. This is not just a technical update, it's a community revolution.
Let's break down Cardano's evolution. Can you elaborate on these eras?
Absolutely. Each era has built on the last, building a robust foundation for this final leap into the Volter era, which focuses on empowering user governance.
What actual changes can users expect from this hard fork?
Well, it's set to enhance scalability and transaction speed, plus improve security. Holders can also anticipate better staking rewards.
Now let's discuss the political aspect. How is Trump shaking things up?
Trump's enthusiasm for crypto could reshape the U.S. industry landscape. His recent comments on crypto regulations might bring about positive changes for developers and investors alike.
Looking forward, what are the predictions for Cardano's future?
With this upgrade, we could see a resurgence in ADA's popularity and price. If the regulatory environment remains favorable, Cardano might just reclaim its top spot.
In summary, Cardano is far from dead. Any final thoughts?
Indeed. The Chang hard fork sets the stage for a decentralized future, and with figures like Trump involved, expect more eyes and investments on Cardano moving ahead. What do you think?
Now, let's explore the intriguing world of Bitcoin and a vital concept called the risk metric. It's crucial for navigating these currents.
Absolutely. With everything happening in the crypto space, understanding this metric could mean the difference between profit and loss. Let's unravel how to effectively use it in trading strategies.
What's the core of this risk metric?
It guides users on when to buy Bitcoin at lower risk levels and sell at higher ones. The key takeaway? Stick to the defined risk bands to navigate the crypto maze effectively.
Let's break this down further. Can you explain how these risk levels work?
Definitely. The levels range from 0 to 1. Currently, Bitcoin stands at 0.484, meaning it's positioned in the lower half, a golden opportunity for traders.
How can traders utilize this risk metric effectively?
That's a great question. By adhering to defined thresholds, traders know they should buy below 0.4 and sell above 0.6, thus optimizing profits without hesitation.
Any notable historical insights related to this risk metric?
Certainly. Back in early 2021, while many speculated about skyrocketing Bitcoin prices, the metric indicated a downturn, proving its predictive power.
Now, what's on the horizon for Bitcoin?
Predictions suggest upcoming economic shifts could send the risk levels fluctuating downward. Staying alert to these changes could safeguard against significant losses.
Any final insights for our viewers?
Absolutely. Adopting a disciplined approach using the risk metric could drastically improve trading outcomes. Stick to your plan and resist emotional influences.
Do you think the current trends in Bitcoin are sustainable?
Only time will tell. But being informed and prepared is key to weathering the storm in this volatile market.
Let's address the declining sentiment surrounding Ethereum. Many are questioning if it's time to switch to Solana.
Absolutely. Ethereum's recent performance has raised doubts. But what's behind this sinking sentiment?
What's the primary concern for Ethereum at the moment?
Ethereum's price has been persistently low compared to other cryptocurrencies. Investors are worried about whether Ethereum can bounce back or if it's time to explore alternatives like Solana.
How does Ethereum currently compare to others in the market?
Ethereum is lagging significantly, sitting a staggering 45% off its all-time high, while Bitcoin is just 14% under its peak. Talk about being underwater.
What's the situation with Ethereum ETFs?
It's been quite dismal. Wall Street is eagerly buying Bitcoin ETFs, but hasn't shown as much interest in Ethereum ones. Where's the enthusiasm?
What role do Layer 2s play in this narrative?
Exactly. They can scale Ethereum, but come with a cost. Users are bypassing the main chain, leading to thinner liquidity. It's a double-edged sword.
How is user experience on Ethereum trending?
User experience has deteriorated. With transaction fees skyrocketing, it's becoming less appealing for new investors wishing to enter the space.
What does the future hold for Ethereum?
While it may be tough now, a shift in market sentiment could spark a rebound. New ETF interactions might just reignite that flame.
What about growth in Layer 2s?
As Layer 2s draw users in with their efficiency, we could see significant growth. Partnerships with top firms might be a game changer.
What are the primary takeaways from this analysis?
Ethereum must address user experience issues to remain competitive in an ever-evolving market. It's a tough road ahead, but brighter days may be on the horizon.
We want to hear from you. What do you think of Ethereum's current fate?
Voice your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.
Let's dive in. Today's exciting topic is the state of the Bitcoin bull run. Are we nearing the end or just taking a breather?
Stay tuned for the full report. Fear is creeping into the market as altcoins bleed gains. Buckle up as we dissect the rising tension.
What's the crux of today's discussion?
The main thesis focuses on assessing whether the 2024 peak is upon us. The analysis revolves around market cycles and liquidity. Are the bulls still in control?
What's the update on the U.S. debt situation?
The U.S. national debt is currently an eye-watering $35 trillion. This debt can heavily influence market liquidity, which could affect Bitcoin's potential rebound.
What role does liquidity play here?
Here's the scoop. Historically, every 10% increase in liquidity tends to correlate with a surge in Bitcoin prices. Yet despite recent increases, prices remain stagnant. Something's brewing.
What predictions are on the table for 2024?
The predictions are captivating. Bitcoin's price cycles are closely linked to election cycles. Are we on the verge of a significant surge?
How does cycle analysis reshape our perspective?
Cycle analysis indicates we might be on the brink of recovery if historical patterns hold. Keep a close watch on market sentiment.
What do experts forecast for the upcoming market?
Predictions hint at a possible recovery on the horizon as more investors return. What could trigger this shift?
How will elections impact this?
Election outcomes can shift market dynamics. If pro-crypto candidates prevail, Bitcoin might enjoy a surge of confidence.
To summarize, what are the key takeaways from today?
Investors should tread lightly. The landscape is shifting, and grasping market cycles and sentiment will be vital.
As we conclude, we want to hear from you. What trends do you see affecting Bitcoin moving forward?
Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's ignite the discussion on our next move in this dynamic market.
We're diving back into the cryptocurrencies today. What major issues should Bitcoin holders be wary of as we approach September?
Indeed. Today's discussion revolves around potential market shifts and surprises headed our way this September. Spoiler alert, it won't all be smooth sailing.
What's the essence of George's message regarding September?
The key thesis indicates that September has a notorious history of being tough for Bitcoin, bringing existing inflationary pressures and potential sell-offs into the mix.
What's the historical context for September, especially for Bitcoin?
George highlights historical trends that suggest September has often been tricky for Bitcoin, with downturns occurring alongside slight losses in previous months.
How does inflation factor into this?
Recent inflation data came in at around 2.5%. This could heavily influence the Federal Reserve's decisions, potentially impacting markets this September.
What's happening in the realm of institutional investing?
Despite some rocky outflows from firms like BlackRock, there's a growing interest from established financial firms keen to pitch Bitcoin ETFs to high-net-worth clients. Talk about mixed signals.
What predictions are emerging amidst this chatter?
Expect some market volatility as institutions scramble to reposition, while September's troubling historical reputation looms over Bitcoin holders.
What about government actions?
There's speculation about potential U.S. government Bitcoin sales that could create significant market sentiment shifts. All eyes will be watching.
In conclusion, what should viewers take away?
Though there are indicators suggesting potential upward movement, September's historical performance calls for a cautious strategy. How will this month unfold? Only time will reveal.
And a final thought. What strategies will everyone adopt in light of these predictions?
Drop your thoughts below. Engaging with our community will help us navigate these waters together.
To wrap up, today we traverse diverse perspectives on crypto market dynamics.
From Cardano's anticipated evolution to the complexities of Bitcoin and Ethereum, our guests provided critical insights.
It's clear that understanding market cycles and user sentiment is vital in these turbulent times.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. Stay tuned for more insights next.
Thanks for watching Financial Insights in Minutes for September 1st, 2024. If you found this time-saving content useful and want to support the channel, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see summarized, drop a comment below. See you next time.